Welcome to our weekly Live AMA. Let's start with a video as always.
Hello, and welcome to our weekly MA on February 18th. And it's actually quite interesting date because we have some announcements to make, and we, as usual, would go over all the questions as well as what Guru Network is. And as usual, I'm starting with what Guru Network is and what we do and how we started and so on and so forth. So I would like to go over this one first, and then we'll jump to the questions from the community because we had lots of questions missed, I believe, for the last week in our Telegram group and in our channel because we are heads down in development right now and going over them, answering them real time, and then we would have an announcement. And as usually, we have a riddle hunt, right? Which everyone can participate and earn rewards. It's a weekly thing again, and that's how we usually present in it, riddle hunt, right? Or there is a better way. Anyway,
Well, today's riddle hunt is special because it is linked to one of our juiciest announcements yet. So,
yeah,
guys, get ready for it.
get ready for it. Cool. Let me start sharing the screen. So, what Guru Network is? Guru Network, we got to this idea a year ago. It's a multi-chain Web3 automation and AI compute layer. It's all based on business process automation combined with on-chain transactions, with LLM orchestration, with AI. And we all declared this goal and declared this as an idea in our white paper around a year ago. You see, April 1st, 2024. And right now, we already have a framework which basically provides all these functionalities that we can hook up into the apps. And those apps are already working. And now we're stitching everything together into Guru Network infrastructure. And that's where we are on this idea. And coming to this, we have updates in our applications which are started on Guru framework. So, for example, in Miles Deutscher application, now everyone can see this pretty unique token mindshare dashboard. And because we all came here for DJing, for crypto, and our community started as community of DexGuru, which is all about this, right? You guys should love it. And in here we have mindshare statistics in miles, which is giving you pretty good ideas of what's launching right now, what's getting the traction on crypto Twitter, because after all, that's probably what matters the most on in crypto, and we see it by those crazy stories with all those meme coins and stuff. Like it's not technical analysis. It's not like price or volume or liquidity. It's all about mind share on Twitter, who's tweeting about what and so on. So we created this dashboard in partnership with Miles Deutscher team, and that dashboard is becoming right now part of our LLM, which is working in here. So this LLM is aware of crypto Twitter, of trends in there. It can answer generic questions, and the same LLM actually started generating content for for the channel, providing people insights and updates on what's lately happening in there. So I'm more than inviting everyone to check it out. We'll be sharing the link, especially this analytics dashboard, because along with all this technical and on-chain data, which we historically presenting on DexGuru, right, for years, and this on-chain analysis, we along with launching of AI trading terminal, we're stepping into new kind of field of analytics where we analyzing socials and analyzing mindshare, and we applying AI to it. So that's a new concept, and it's very useful. You can always go check yourself what's smart engagement on Twitter. Like, it's mostly basically KOLs filtered what's trending right now, and I believe it's very useful too. Along with it, we making that your personal assistant would be receiving reports from this tool, and next step is actually like starting executing transactions based off it, because in every application in Guru Network app, which is becoming new DexGuru, in Miles Dutcher, we have a wallet which is like operational from every perspective. And coming to this, today I published like what's left on our plate to actually get our DexGuru AI launched, and that's where we are right now. And coming back to the roots, right? We started the journey of Guru token itself, and that's most of you guys came for, right? Because you are either a Guru holder or like you community member who's like with us from DexGuru, from the season passes, from everything. Like when it started, we declared that we would be doing this like Guru Network as a place where anyone can launch application easily with orchestration of Web3 LLM, with like front ends hooked up to it, so you wouldn't need actual programming. It would be mostly like low code environment like we have in here, right? And we are achieving that goal right now. We got all the way from declaring the goal and like working on the frameworks and launching applications of it to actual realization of it. So we declared the roadmap, we're going through it, but that roadmap, as you see, was ending in 2024. And we were talking about 2025 at our IMAs already a lot. And the first step in there is releasing of our DexGuru AI, like new kind of trading terminal, which doing all this. And we are getting there right now very fast. So announcement will be in the end, but right now, as I said, let's pick something like new approach. Let's go through the community, what we had in the last like week, because right now we are like heads down, cooking, delivering, and polishing all those features. And data analytics is hard. Like ETL pipelines is hard. If any one of you guys in development, like it's one of the hardest things you can do, and it's all about that. And yeah, with some spice of LLM right now, which we step by step orchestrating how we shuffle in the data, so it's providing a good results. Okay, LFG, oh cool. I want to ask why the mini app can be open and stuck at the loading section. It's a good question, because we are, as one of the steps towards the new goal, like of AI trading terminal, we are started to getting rid of like Telegram only concept. So, and that's what we introduced last week. You can log in not only with Telegram, but you can log in with external wallet, and everything would be the same. So all the functionality, LLM functionality, analytics functionality, tokens explorer, swapping, everything would be happening like with you login with your wallets and so on and so forth. So, and that's one of the steps we actually completed last week towards the goal. So what I wanted to say is that while switching from mini apps to web app, we need to change the links, and that's actual question here. Okay, we need to check. I actually can.
Well, actually, this question was already resolved, and
Oh, it was already resolved.
logged in.
Oh,
and,
let me know if I'm going through not resolved questions yet. Because I myself, because heads down in delivery, heads down in development, hadn't checked our group like for several days. Tell us how to earn free guru. The one who shows the real case will be given just like that, $50. That's an interesting poll. Community participation, and we can see the results. I can vote as well, right? I'm in the community, but we would need to execute on it. Perform actions like token swap, staking, or interacting with dApps. We need to put AI in there because that's exactly what we're working right now, like trading using.
Look how votes are spread now. You can vote for I don't know what I want, show results, and we can see our community thinking about what they want the most.
Swaps, and then per community participation quests.
Yep.
So those are the focus areas for Max actually right now, because as I'm saying, we were developing like in game devs. There is this kind of saying. First of all, before developing the game, you develop in the level editor. So we developed the level editor. Now we're developing the game, and Max from our team, he's right now into it, and those results would be very valuable for him. What happened to the NFT holder airdrop? Is it canceled? No, it's not. You guys getting your airdrop every week, and if you log into the app and you have your season passes, it gives you ability to get all the way to the where is it? To the chest in any of our apps, and you can actually collect your airdrop from multiple apps. And in this chest, there are special quests just for you as a holder. And here you can get your airdrop from your season passes, as well as with the DexGuru AI launch. We planning like a huge airdrop for season 1 holders, because season 1 holders came for the first DexGuru, and so we'll keep you updated on the launch date. So then, how we can access the tokenomics of Guru? Yeah, tokenomics is in here, and we also have it in our website, right? And we actually had it on LBP, and it's still the same. And we have it on our in here, right? Tokenomics. Do you know? Guru tokenomics community. Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah, most of the kind of permanent and evergreen stuff is always at our landing page, gurunetwork.ai. Then we go over the next questions. AMA, is Guru Layer 2 project on ETH? It's Layer 3 project on Base. Yep. Should we move to Taraxa cheap and fast? Not sure if technically possible. What's the Taraxa network? Never heard of them. Let's actually check. Taraxa network. If community asks, why not? EVM layer 1. Okay. What DeFi Llama says about it? Right. Taraxa chains. Yes. Interesting. Tara Swap, Meridian, Dolphin Protocol. Interesting suggestion, but probably base. Layer 3. Stop beating around the bush and go straight to the answer. You guys.
Well, it's the same question, and the question is
Oh, yeah, we
why
resolved it,
Airdrop
right?
is not distributed to season 1 holders.
Oh, yeah. So, guys, everyone who's like season 1 holders, we are relaunching DexGuru, and you came for DexGuru, and it's a new AI DexGuru. So with this relaunch, you would have a massive drop. That's the answer. But it would be incentivized. You would need to do some stuff to get it, but that's the life. What can we say? And we also, based on the feedback from one of our community members, like last time, we actually reconsidered the way we're doing it, and Max is preparing document on it. So we need to put it into the voting probably this week, and voting would be incentivized as usual. Who can always sell and never buy? Team. Oh, we actually were puzzled ourselves. We were exploring it within the team, and yeah, okay, good question. It's actually got us distracted from delivering for 20 minutes. So assumption there is that wallet is because it started being active when we listed on Texas, and we listed on both Texas where we listed at the same time. So, and there are some, and yeah, and it's some technical account or something, because the team we had no access to any guru unlocked till October, so it started in July. Something related to Texas. That's our assumption. Best guess. What kind of project is it? What are you doing? Oh, we're talking about it throughout the whole AMA. That's what we answered already. And we have DexGuru. That's because we're updating it constantly. Now it's already loading, and we have Riddle Hunt. All about drop. Yes, about drop we already figured. Conditions get better anytime soon. How long you guys can keep projects sustainable? Yeah, because we survived through the crypto winter, like very harsh one. We were able to switch from DexGuru kind of economy, which is very focused on retail, and retail was basically gone for the crypto winter, towards B2B products. And you see it on our landing page again. We powering up builders, we providing block explorers, we providing data warehouse. We have all these frameworks in, we have Guru network, and there are like B2B clients. So we are sustainable, and we're delivering what we promised, even according to our roadmap and LBP, if anyone asks. And we have new stuff coming. It's AI trading terminal. It's launch of partner applications. Some of them already launched and active in the group. By the way, guys, if you want to check Miles' channel, where I need to Miles Alpha, right? Miles Alpha up. So this is what Guru powered LLM producing now as a content, and it's kind of interesting. People discussing it in the group, so it's engaging element. It's providing like insights on the tweets. So the technology which we are polishing for a year already, orchestrating LLM to provide insights based on the data we have in DexGuru, based on the new data we've got from Social Mindshare. It's already working. It's in there, and we're delivering like crazy. Yeah, answering the rest of the questions, right? Why I got there, basically to to switch from the question how long we can sustain. We can sustain for long, and we're delivering like crazy. It's 7 apps in pipeline. Yep, the right answer. We have. Where is it? Yes. Proposal 101. Let's check it. Yes. In there, we have a dashboard about it actually. Here. Guru NFT stats, right? So right now, because we hadn't launched seriously, we have $739 in this chest, which is discussed in this flywheel mechanism. But we tested everything. Those NFT minted basically had 400 gurus embedded into each mint, and this is a actual chest to be distributed. And again, it was just testing. We have a dashboard about it, but people asking about those distributions, yeah, we can do them. Why not? It's like 20%. It's $140 worth of guru, split between community, and we wanted to do it on weekly basis. So basically, why not start it? We should put a process in place which is automatically redistributing those funds which are collected in the Guru network ecosystem treasury, which is basically governed by what we voted for in here. So we need to establish it, especially with those new launches coming, and this would activate more activities like that. And we need to launch this flywheel, and we're launching the flywheel along with launch of the applications. Can we actually answer that question, or we already answered somehow? Probably we need to answer
it's the
it.
same question about distributing airdrop for season 1 holders.
No, it's actually a different one. It's a question about community stake in the Guru network economy. So that's saying we proposed in November, like we and community proposed, and there was a discussion in there. It's actually we launched it in a test phase, and in test phase it collected some funds in the treasury. And the next step would be, especially with new application launches, to kind of establish mechanism to actually distribute those. And we need to put that on the roadmap, because after the launch of AI trading terminals, there would be more contributing to this flywheel, so those numbers would rise, and then we need to start incentivizing the community from those. Good question. We need to find it and answer it probably in detail in the group. Next thing, where is it? So here, I will label answer distribution mechanism for the chest, community chest, right? And I would we have this dashboard published, I believe. We need to put it into the app as one of the options. Cool. We've got it there.
Distribution mechanism is tested in our Guru Riddle Hunt initiative. So
Yeah.
while you see this video, and right now it's a stream, you see clues for Riddle Hunt. You go to our web app, you go to our quests, and put this clue into the quest window.
I have
your airdrop distributed. For now, it looks like this, and after AI trading terminal launch, we have a surprise for season 1 holders, but now we are testing this distribution mechanism basically as we speak.
Yeah.
By the way, right now, our developers tell me that we are delivering update to our app, and for some time, like several hours, these rewards will not work. So guys, don't worry, we will fix it. But if you're checking it right now, reward for riddle hunt number 8 is not working properly. Isn't working for everyone. We are really sorry for that, but we will fix it in a few hours.
Yeah, that's interesting. Because our team hit deploy just before the AMA. Because we are testing the riddle hunt just before the deployment. Interestingly, we will make it happen. Anyway, so in regards of community questions, I believe we went through everything, and what I wanted to show is actually when you're talking to LLM in the app in here, right? The interesting thing is we are duplicating everything because you have Telegram hooked up. We're duplicating everything in Telegram, and on Telegram, if you drop in the questions, if you're using it as an LLM, you have a synchronization to the web interface. Which is cool feature by itself for any kind of LLM, because you now can synchronize your messenger LLM with your like web LLM which you're using in your like laptop computer or everything. Cool. So that's what's coming. And in regards of announcements, it's February 25th. February 25th, we're going to launch new DexGuru. So this old DexGuru goes away. It would be moved to legacy.dexguru, and new DexGuru, which is based off this kind of alpha beta, which we have in there, and we continuously polishing, would take this place, and all the charting, all the activity in there, new dashboards, LLM functionality, all possible actions you can take to earn rewards for the volume you're transferring through the terminal. All of this will be baked in there, and that's actually what differs our terminal from the rest of the terminals. We have a token, and we're ready to incentivize people, and we're ready to distribute it. And as we move in our trading form from Guru to here as well, and this trading form would be accessible through LLM, there would be lots of volume, and volume again going to be distributed through the Guru network economy flywheel. So the same kind of mechanism which we declared in here would be applied after DexGuru AI launch. So that's what I wanted to show. How do we have any other questions?
We actually do have other question. We have our Discord member Steve, who previous time won $1 from Ferdinand Kotzer for the best question, and today, while not incentivized, he has he has 8 questions. You can share the screen via the Discord, or I can share the screen.
Sure. Yeah, we'll go over them.
Give me a sec.
It's you breaking or I'm breaking, actually.
It's 21:30.
What do you mean?
Like there is some connection issue or something. It was like yeah. While you're doing it, I would answer the question which I see from Novik TV. How do we get DexGuru to be like Dex tool or Dex screener, and in terms of adoption and usage? So with the launch of AI DexGuru, we see that we offering something new to the market, which because trading terminals themselves, it's a complicated product, and we know it because we have DexGuru for 4 years. In the same time, all of those, they offer the same kind of functionality, where we have a new vision where you are getting to the markets explorer, and you don't need to know uh, anything about the analytics, about the charting, about like candlesticks, about any of those technical stuff, because you already have LLM handling it for you, explaining everything, sending you widgets, as well as executing transactions on your behalf using the operational wallet. So we envision it as a new way to onboard people into crypto, because in that case, people wouldn't need to even register the wallet. Approve any swaps, approve quotes. It's all happening by LLM. It's making the decisions for you. So you're just saying, as I was showing on this screen from what's coming. Hold on. Chat. Yeah. Not this one. This one. This screen, where you can just say, or like do a voice message to the agent. Can you swap into this or that, and then it's doing the swap for you. You just getting the funds, as well as it's working in the background, receiving all those notifications about whales transactions, about real-time market updates, like price notifications, and making decisions of like stop loss strategy or any other strategy you discussed with LLM. So that's the goal. That's a new vision for trading terminal in there. And I believe there is nothing like that on the market right now. And with the power of like DexGuru, like data which is baked in there, and you're right, it's like the same data as in most of the trading terminals, powered by that vision, powered by all this data. It's kind of giving us a new cutting edge product, and with Guru token embedded, it's kind of changed a lot as well. Like when you have real token to incentivize the community, to incentivize people to use your terminal, and that's our position right now with DexGuru product. But after all, DexGuru is one of the products we support, and yeah, as a vision for Guru framework, it's much wider. Okay, are we ready?
Okay, Discord somehow doesn't
work.
help me. I will show them that as a screenshot. It's very stupid, but it is what it is. So question 1. MM on MXC providing terrible depth and huge spread. The lowest source of liquidity is forcing the highest source down constantly. This needs to be
addressed. Yeah, number one. This one we had a conversation last week with them, and yesterday we approved the transaction to provide more liquidity for DEX market makers as a core contributors team. And as that liquidity hits them, they're going to improve the liquidity situation on both DEXs. Reply bot turned into basically spam, needs to be refined. Twitter reply bot. That you can address probably as a community manager. Why would we improve the quality of replies in the Twitter?
We will improve
check
the
on
quality of replies, of course, but refinement is very creative process, and it takes some time. But we know the problem, and we are addressing it in the list of other problems we addressed as well.
Okay. When some new meaningful content? Every IMA is next week or 2 weeks. Actually, every week we have something new. Like 2 weeks before, we had Ferdy coming from our partners with whom we launched in Miles Deutsche Rap. Then last week we had Tyler from Utopia, and I believe every week we're doing something new. And this week it's all about questions from the community. But what I wanted to add to our content plan is some more technical stuff on a Guru framework usage, especially that we got it to the point we can update our open source version and start showing people how they can utilize it to spin up LLM agents, to start their own products and so on and so forth. We're ready for it, and after this kind of hustle with AI trading terminal launch next week, which is like, by the way, February 25th, new content. We're saying we launch and there is a due date on trading terminal. We'll have more content on developer side of things. Seems like all the effort is geared to Miles, who seems to be giving nothing back. What's the hold up? Hold up is actually hooking up analytics they want in there. And you see right now we hooked up the social analytics, which we agreed on like delivering. And now that social analytics is hooked up into the app and into the AI, which is operating in there. That's why they would be using our analytics dashboards on the shows they do on YouTube, and that would be pushing Guru forward. Good question, by the way. Good that you kind of checking on us. And what happened with Fred? Seems to be extremely bullish with Guru. Now not. The project we started right now is kind of in the project with Fred is kind of waiting for all the improvements in the framework to be delivered, in which we polish on Miles app. So and you would hear more on this project after AI trading terminal launch. We're a team of 12 people right now, and we focused on one. But the good thing is we are delivering it as a framework. So improvement in LLM, how it works on Miles app, actually gets us further in AI trading terminal and gets us further in with another app. I'm not sure if I can say the name even. The Banter app no longer works. Yes, it's that we are kind of stopped partnership with them because they had expectations which couldn't be delivered there. Discord is really suffering without a dedicated admin. Scams sometimes stay up for days, and we need mods. Mods are coming, right? Snark Scout.
Yep, mods are coming.
When new partnership to drive volume and exposure. What we expect in the the next one is Utopia, and Utopia they launching Utopia app for the community of 50,000 people, and we will keep you updated and keep you, and they would have their own like Utopia distributions and rewards, and probably we can sneak something in for Guru network community as well. So if you came from our referral link or something, you would have some special in there. We can talk to Utopia on this. And the Utopia, yeah, it's driving a lot of stuff. Yeah, price questions. Yeah, like market is kind of harsh right now, and it's very brutal. In the same time, it's always showing how we as a team like delivering what's coming, what's not. And right now, as we positioned everything for those launches, for AI trading terminal, for getting Guru utility in all the apps, I believe we kind of fixing it. How I can volunteer to help? Oh, we have a next question. ping Snark Scout. He can organize it.
Ping me on Telegram, Discord, Twitter, whatever, and we will figure it out.
So many questions. But I believe we answered everything. And again, February 25th is a big date. We would be showing new stuff. I would be posting about like checklists before the launch pretty actively this week. I believe we from architecture perspective and from like this kind of foundation perspective, we figured everything, and now I will be focusing on communications and this week and preparing the launch from all the other perspectives, while team polishing the features, those which we showed in the group, like the in regards of LLM, as well as new token explorer, everything which we migrating from DexGuru, like trading form and everything. Wallet Connect now works. So team is busy with this. I would be more active because now I can my hands more like
Untied.
more untied with it. And every day reporting on checklist. February 25th is the date. Good to have due date for everyone, for community, for us, for the new launch, which we control 100%. Cool. It was really AMA style today, right? Ask me.
Yeah, thank you guys for all the questions. If you have more, you have about 30-40 seconds to fill it in whenever you're watching it on Twitter, on YouTube. So
participate in Riddle Hunt.
Participate in Riddle Hunt.
Check the new stuff in the app.
Sorry for that.
Yeah. Okay. And see you next week. And next week, AMA would be all about launching AI trading terminal, because February 25th is next Tuesday. Okay.
February 25th is the next Tuesday, and we hope to see you there. We hope for you to use our product and tell your feedback, because all these questions we answered, all your feedback helps us getting better and better every day.
Yep. Community governs the team using this feedback. Cool. So see you guys.
Thank you, Evgeny, and thank you to everyone of 120 people who watch us. We will see you around.